Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony here. I wanted to show you guys about what my algo just did for the very first time on PLTR. It actually just gave two bullish signals, one on December 16th, one on December 15th, and it actually opened a position of its own right now at $25.73. Currently is holding one position of PLTR, and that's the first time it's ever bought PLTR in its existence. So I would definitely, I don't want to say that I'm going to take this as a grain of salt, but it's definitely really good. It's been really good at detecting breakouts recently. So I do think right now is a really good time to purchase PLTR. Again, do what you guys want with your own money, but it's been relatively good at predicting purchases on every other stock that I've seen, and this is the first time that it actually buys a position in PLTR. So we'll see. I mean, it thinks that it has a chance of doing a 3x from here. So we're doing a like a 2x and a half, right? So it does think the probability of making money is about 150%. So we'll see from here. If it thinks it can do 150%, that means that PLTR can possibly see 30, so it can possibly see $50 in the mid to long term price of PLTR. So yeah, it actually just gave the price PLTR December 15th, December 16th, and that's two bullish signals day after day. So as of right now, I'm basing my bullishness strictly off my algo. I'll see you guys later.